Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis, and today we're going to be talking about Hedera, aka Hbar. So sit back, relax, and before we fully jump on into this video, I do just want to ask guys, please leave a like on this video. It does help the channel grow immensely, and of course I always do greatly appreciate it. And if you do find any of the information in this video valuable, useful, or interesting in any sort of way possible, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on to never miss a future update. So overall, Bitcoin ranging around the 40.7K mark. Yes, dominance is still around like 41.5. When we are talking about Hedera, similar to other altcoins, we're actually not doing too bad. Like I know that the price action is not great, and I understand that the trading volume is down. And when we are looking at the chart, things do look a little bit rough. But for the most part, we've come down to test major support, which if you look back on time, was major support going back to August as well. And we did not drop nearly as much as we were expecting us to drop. I mean, in terms of price action, I think that lately, we've already kind of had these major drops, but this was about a 13.88% drop, which was expected. I told you guys and warned you guys ahead of time on Bitcoin. I hope that a lot of you prepared for this. If you did, definitely give yourself a round of applause. But we were expecting this for a very long time, roughly around like 7 days or so, maybe even a little bit more than that. I think it's like 10 days roughly. So, we've been watching these charts and, watching them very, very closely as well in terms of their major impulses to the upside or even the downside. And I'm not biased at all. A lot of you, out there, I see a lot of comments on my Hbar videos saying, oh, being a moon boy, shilling during a bear market. Guys, I don't think it is a bear market. I've talked to you guys about the structure of Bitcoin. I've addressed to you guys multiple times on completely different occasions why we are not in a bear market. I am very optimistic for a lot of these altcoins, including Hbar, to deliver massive ROI potential to a lot of individuals out there patient enough to hold. And even when we are talking about the Hbar Bitcoin pair, so of course this is the strength in regards to Bitcoin, you can notice that we didn't have a major dropping point. Like, for the most part, even from these highs here, from our major dropping point here was like around like almost 6%, and currently we are sitting at about 3.2%, which is expected. Or I shouldn't say expected, but this is exactly why, with what we were talking about in terms of expectations on Hbar's price on the USD chart, this actually held us back from going any lower than the major price action moves that we've had on the charts lined up for a very long time now. But overall, I do want to talk to you guys about some exciting things besides PA and besides, of course, TA as well. We do see here, it blows my mind that Hedera is quite literally set to change the world by building a trusted sustainability economy. It blows my mind even further that sustainability, is only a single facet of its utility. There's no question about it. Hbar is the altcoin. And this is actually a post from Hbar Foundation talking about when compared with other leading POS networks, UCL found that Hedera is to be the greenest and fastest network available. This is how the Hedera network and its underlying carbon negative hashgraph technology are building a sustainability economy. And we actually look here at some of these statistics, and we're better than almost every DLT. I shouldn't even say almost every DLT out there. We are. We're greener and more sustainable than Visa. I mean, if that doesn't make you extremely bullish, I do not know what will. We are literally outscaling the entire competitive scene in the DLT space and killing it in a sustainable way. We even see here, maximum transactions as well. I mean, honestly, overall, we are killing it right now. And we do see here, by building on Hedera, not only do you benefit from its clean tech, but you can also offset your business using trusted offsets on the ledger at layer 1. Hedera is not just here as the greenest public network, it is here to change how the world works. And it really will. Honestly, Hedera is going to take the world by storm. It is going to be absolutely massive. at scale once the true value is unveiled. And we also see our Hedera flagship project Dovu Official is paving the way for DLT-enabled carbon removal. One of the biggest issues facing carbon credits is double spending. Companies purchase credits that have already been sold. This achieves nothing. By leveraging the HCS and HTS of Hedera, Dovu provides an audit trail for all carbon credits from farmer to consumer. This ensures a trust layer that carbon credits have desperately needed. Last year, Dovu released 3 main products: carbon market, cap, which is carbon debt and token balance; carbon marketplace, buy and sell carbon tokens; and of course, carbon credit or calculator, tool for upcoming DAO, yeah. And of course, carbon offsets are projected to become a $100 billion plus asset class. Dovu is positioned to become the go-to tokenized data economy for DeFi carbon offsetting. The Hbar Foundation is here to support it in every step of the way. I told you guys to keep a close eye on Dovu, but also keep a close eye on tokenization, especially within the carbon offset space. I've always said that the carbon offset space is set for mass disruption, and this is a $100 billion asset class. And I just need to show you guys real quick that Hedera is still sitting at only a $4.3 billion market cap, and this is one major use case. This is only one major project that is built on Hedera and is leveraging the HCS and HTS services. This is extremely huge. Now, I want to warn you all right now. Tokenization. I've been talking to you guys about it for a very long time. I've been talking to you guys about NFTs, the metaverse, this, that. Tokenization is here. It's taking over. It's 1% of crypto, and look at what is happening. Here's a juicy breadcrumb for you all. NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange, trademark application for NFTs and digital assets, including cryptocurrency. Here's the kicker. Look at their application. Where do the attorneys work? You guessed it, DLA Piper. New GC? Possibly. I want you to all understand that the New York Stock Exchange is now ready for the metaverse and the NFT marketplace. They want to have their own marketplaces actually in store for these areas of expertise. And not only that, but this should show you guys exactly where we are in terms of crypto adoption and crypto in general. I am so extremely bullish. And not only should we be bullish, but we're seeing here that the New York Stock Exchange has filed a trademark application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office on Thursday to register the name NYSE for several blockchains and crypto-related products and services. The goods specified include virtual reality and augmented reality software, non-fungible tokens, and online marketplaces. It's going to be big. 6 NYSE NFTs were minted to commemorate the first trades for Spotify, Snowflake, Unity, DoorDash, and even Roblox. This goes back to April of 2021, mind you. But there's so much more here. I mean, you guys can see it. This is the start of the revolution. I told you guys that when we're talking about the tokenized area of this market, it's going to be worth trillions of dollars. It's disrupting $1 trillion in assets under management, and not only assets under management, but just asset classes as well. The real estate market, I've told you guys about that. The jewelry market, guys. Tokenization is taking over. The storm is here. And also, just to confirm, here's the trademark/service mark application, NYSE, as you guys can see. And if we scroll down, here you have it. Email address, attorney appointed, and even when we're talking about the law firm itself, DLA Piper. Here you guys have it, guys. The deep connections here are huge. I want you to all understand what is happening. These are major updates within this area, and NFTs are here to stay. Tokenization is taking over. Guys, the leaps are happening. And not only should we be focused on tokenization, but NFTs as well, right? NFTs as a whole are continuing to grow on Hedera. HashGuild, launched about 26 hours to holders, launched to public 44 minutes ago. So this is also very big, but stats were 385 NFTs listed, 149 collections, almost 200 signups, 12 successful transactions, and 17,370 Hbar traded. This is this is minutes We even see here within 10 minutes moved up to 417 NFTs from 163 collections. This is incredible. This is continuing to grow. I want you to all pay attention to all of these major small marketplaces being built on Hedera because they all provide massive amounts of volume and value to the ecosystem. Pay attention, guys. And when we are talking about the New York Stock Exchange and when we're talking about NFTs alone, guys, huge enterprises are coming out of every day and talking about their big plans for crypto, DeFi, NFT, metaverses, etc. There are so many enterprises, but there is only one enterprise-grade DLT, and that's Hedera. What comes next? Hedera takes over the world. This is exactly why I've been telling you guys that Hedera is going to take the world by storm. It's not because I'm biased, and it's not even because of these tweets by individuals like Hbar to the Moon, which shout out to him, but it's because we are seeing everything align perfectly. We have been seeing mass adoption of the tokenization and NFT scene. You guys can see, is Walmart gearing up to enter the metaverse? I talked to guys about this as well. They are trying to launch their own, of course, digital currency and NFT collection. This goes back to January 17th. I addressed this. I've talked to guys about this. And there's so much more happening within, the metaverse and NFT area. It's so extremely bullish. I want you to all start paying attention to these markets because right now, currently the NFT market has 1% of the market share value at $46.1 billion. Okay? Not only is that a very small market cap, but look at the market capitalization for the metaverse at $30.8 billion. And all of this is continuing to grow day by day by day. DeFi, Web3, we're talking about payments in general, right? There's so much happening in this space that it's hard to keep up, but guys, it will pay off in the long run. There is so much to look forward to. I mean, lately we have been seeing update after update after update. Last 3 weeks, FBI creates crypto unit, Intel creates blockchain unit, PayPal creates crypto council, Google creates blockchain unit, MasterCard creates crypto consulting. Guys, everything is happening. I mean, it's seriously moving so quick, and it's moving faster than anyone has ever expected. This is why we should all be extremely happy and proud that we are in crypto before these major names are moving in and major innovations are happening. Like, this tells me something huge is on the horizon. And I do believe that it is most likely regulations. And I told you guys with the regulations, of course, comes massive amounts of demand, value, and volume flowing over these major layer 1 networks like Hedera. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on if you guys want more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As always, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.